Hello everyone, and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett, and today is October 19th in 2017. We are on the IPB project, the Innovation Partnership Building. This is our 11th video of this series, and this will be our final video. The owner is moving in, the building is almost completed, and we're going to be taking you through the progress today. We'll begin as we usually do with the most amazing aerial footage, compliments of our colleague Milton Levin. This is the main face, the front side of the building, the hillside road. We look down the grand entrance into the lobby. We're going to walk in there shortly. What a magnificent blend of the building feature, the landscape features, the walks, the radius stonework as you come around here, the green grass, how it blends in with the grays. Finally, the remaining shrubs have been planted through here. We'll now go to the rear of the building, and it's just as grand as the front. The same theme of radius landscape features. We can see the trees have been planted, the walks are in, a little bit of work left on your top right. How amazing is it going to be to leave the cafe area, walk under the plaza, book or a group of people to come down to this open section right in through here. We've been coming through the lobby on every video watching the progress. Today it is almost 100%. So all the glass is cleaned up. So we'll see they've received a recent temporary certificate of occupancy for the owner to move in through here. We watch this vestibule, marvelous glass, fully open through here. In a minute we're going to take you through the explanation of this artwork through here from a Saul Lewitt design in through here. All right, and this is it for the entrance station right in through here. More or less the reception desking area here, but all the terrazzo has been completed. The floors, it's a marvelous white in through here. Furniture is delivered. They're buttoning up a few things in through here, and that's how the process usually goes. Temporary certificate of occupancy, contractors making last and final touches in through here. What a space. Let's look back to the road. All the glass is cleaned in through here. Gray couches, blue chairs. All right, back out here on all the marvelous landscaping through here. The plaza deck. Let's go back to this HVAC. We showed you the pipes that were down underneath here. We talked about a marvelous finished stainless cover that goes over the top, hides all of the heat, the radiant heat up in through here. What we call a floor box in through this section right in here. Amazing view. Come by here at night. We've got the lights on the wall that wash this display right in through here. Now we'll take you through the details on the art design. All right, we've been following the construction in the gallery. Most recently, the art exhibit behind the main reception area here has been completed. This was a Saul Lewitt conceptual design. We're going to introduce you to Michael Benjamin, who represents the group shortly, and it was through a local gallery in Connecticut, the Paula Cooper Gallery in Connecticut, built by the students. We're going to interview Michael in a second. Come by this at night and it stands right out. Beautiful bright colors, amazing.
Hi, I'm Michael Benjamin. I am an installer for the Saul Lewitt Foundation. I'm here just finishing up installing this wall drawing. This is a Saul Lewitt's wall drawing 867.
Nice. So that has a number. It's a concept. It's
yes.
Logged in. Will we see this anywhere else, or
you will not see this anywhere else? There can only be one wall drawing in existence
with that number.
With that number at a time. Only one physical representation of it.
Nice. So it's an original.
It's an original, yeah. Because Saul's work is the concept. He would write it down on a piece of paper. That was the concept. That's what he sold. It's like a composer making a score. I'm here as the conductor, and the crew that I had was the symphony, and we all did this together as a representation of that concept.
Nice. And Local artists, UConn students helped you
Yes.
with that?
Local fine art students here at the college, and we even had a few engineers thrown in the mix
Nice.
just for fun.
Total 14,
14
of them?
Yeah.
Nice. And what a great exhibit to have, conceptual from a great artist, a well-known artist, and then created by campus students. Nice colors. Can you describe the piece a little bit for us, Mike?
Yeah, it's a very simple design. The instructions were divide the wall into 6 equal parts, make them the colors you see, yellow, purple, blue, orange, red, green, and then divide the wall horizontally with a wavy line and make the top flat, the bottom glossy. That was the whole concept, but each time it's done it looks a little different because the wavy line is left up to the draftsman.
Nice, very nice. Well, thank you. I really appreciate the work. Interactive lounge in through here, 2 partnership rooms over here, designed for shared space, massive monitor on the wall, glass marker board around behind it in through here. Very nice space. Nicely finished, colors gray, sound acoustical panels on the wall here, etched glass, very nice. So 2 partnership rooms in through here. Now we've been following this interactive lounge in through here before, the staircase, the screens that we talked about. Maybe we can get one lit here in a minute to describe the relationship with the different partnerships in through here. The seminar room, we've been following it through here. We got some final boards up in the ceiling is what you see the wood in through here. So the electronics are the last things that they hook up in through here. Very nice. The wood panels on the wall with the ceiling. We took a look previously back. The acoustical panels on here. Some touch-up work in the soffits going on in through here. Couches. The tables match that clear glass, that white glass that we saw behind the screens in the partnership lounge. But again, open concept, full glass in through here. These sticks will be removed as soon as that trim cover sets up in the top up through here. Very nice space. One of the first things you see in the interactive lounge is screens. Screens onto the east and screens onto the west. Monster screens. Interactive areas, all the information on the building will be accessible. The individual will be able to scroll through information on how the building is operating, weather, news, directors, ideas, relationships, partnerships, what's ongoing, you name it. Information will be able to be highlighted through here, and the individual will have the opportunity to scroll through and pick and choose what they want, what information they would like to see or read. Let's take a minute and explain some of the purpose behind all of the white glass we see. And the white glass, we sometimes call it a spandrel glass. Spandrel means painted back. You can only see one way. But it's white specifically here in the interactive lounge so people can write on it. So imagine all of these spaces, people can gather, put their ideas on the wall, sketches. I like it. The 2 elevators right in through here, so that's the theme down here. We move to the west, all the Tech Park director offices. You can see they're moving in, boxes are moved in. Very nice spaces, clear glass out through here. Nice, beautiful offices. And the look from these offices will be, doesn't get much better than this. Out to the landscape features, the V columns, green grass, stone radius features. Very nice. All right, our tenants, first 2 tenants are actually moved into right here. UTC with their Advanced Systems Engineering group in through here. Welcome. They're just opening up their boxes, first couple of days in here. all systems, I understand. They're engineering on all systems. And then we'll continue on. I understand Eversource is with us now too. Their seminar room over here. Again, the same theme. Some of the greens that we saw in the interactive lounge. Full screens up on the wall through there. Blues. Alright, opening up boxes, getting started. North Wing, AMIC. We'll take you through a tour. Last time we were here, they were getting ready to hook up some of the equipment. This is the Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Center in through here. Alright, let's take a peek and see the progress on some of this equipment. Abby Gregg from Abby Gregg Inc. with us, that's going to take us through and describe some of the equipment through here. Thank you, Abby.
We're now in the Central Metrology Lab, and we are looking at the metrology equipment for all the samples that have been fabricated in the perimeter labs here using various types of additive manufacturing. And each room contains a slightly different piece of equipment. The first room is an additive manufacturing that uses metals. This is the Pro X300. As with most of these pieces of equipment, it filters the powder on the way out so that it can be reclaimed and reused. Applies a lot of energy to sintering and melting the powders into usable products. The metrology equipment detects, from LECO here, detects the possible contaminants in the additive manufactured devices and tests them to be sure that they're pure and strong. Other additive manufacturing techniques being used in these other perimeter rooms, and some of them use lasers and some of them use electron beams for melting the metals and making up the products. In addition, there's one test bed room in which the researchers are developing additive manufacturing machines that they're designing themselves for both metals and for polymers.
We are looking at a very complicated, this is the house distribution system over in here. This is where some of the gases that will be housed, piped throughout in through here. Oxygen, CO2, hydrogen, all of the gases required for their manufacturing. And remember, this lab is not only to test materials, but it's to build materials. It's to build things. So what a great process here to house all their gases and piped throughout. Some are even volatile, have to be stored into the cabinet that you see in through here. Something that you don't see every day. This is the fire suppression system for the Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Center. This is an argon gas setup. Some of the manifold systems were right from Germany. So argon is an inert gas. This is non-flammable. It displaces oxygen. So like a sprinkler system that delivers water to the area, in order to suppress the fire here, it's an argon gas that comes up. Some of the gases, this allows them to keep some high volatile gases down below. This is an argon fire suppression system. Pretty unique. Remember to subscribe to our UConn UPDC YouTube channel. Once subscribed, under subscriptions, to the right, under the bell, a check next to send me all notifications for this channel with a save. This way, anytime we add a project or update a project, you'll receive an automatic email. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.